So this is an interesting concept, awesome thing that is happening. Android 14 is expanding on the foldable phone market. Well, it's expanding on features added to the foldable phones. What they're doing with Android 14 here, and it's actually already kind of embedded in Android 13 a little bit, but it's being more enhanced, is the ability to run applications on both displays. That means not only the inside display, which is the foldable display, but also the outside display at the same time. Now, this might sound weird to you at first, and honestly, it kind of is weird to, I think, a lot of people at first. Because, why would you need to do this? Or why would you want to do this? But that's the thing, right? It's the potential of maybe this becomes useful in the future. Maybe this is something in the future. At the end of the day, even if right now you're looking at it and thinking, I don't really see the reason to do this. I mean, other than maybe some fun games or something. I don't know. Maybe you have on the outside display, you're doing trivia and family game night. I don't know. Maybe you have something like that. But obviously the potential of the future of, what app developers can create and what they can enhance with these foldable displays, that's why you do it. That's why they're adding this. This is why it's a very cool concept, right? And again, not every single concept's going to hit. Not every single concept's going to be amazing in the end. But to have it there is the most important thing. And to add more and more features to these foldable phones that make them more unique, more special, more crazy, that's what's exciting about this. Well, yes, in the grand scheme of things right now, this doesn't seem like it's going to be anything, or it's not really that, crazy. In the future, it could definitely be something more exciting. And again, like I said, this is stuff that was added into Android 13 and is now going to be perfected with Android 14. And I'm hoping that this is only the beginning, really, in all honesty, especially because Google themselves want to sell the Google Pixel Fold. The more features you add, the more stuff you experiment on and add to Android 14, Android 15, 16, so on, the better you're going to sell these foldable phones, and the better you're going to get these foldable phones out there on the market. So I'm excited about this for the simple reasons of the potential, right? And I think that's really what I would say for a lot of these foldable phones is going to be the potential. Because at the end of the day, the worst thing you can do with a foldable phone is have nothing, right? Have no software, have nothing special about the software that takes advantage of the foldable phone. Because if you're just having the same software that you would have on a candy bar cell phone and a foldable cell phone, well, all you're doing then is just adding a bigger display and charging twice the price. Instead, now we're getting a lot more features really being customized for, the foldable cell phones. And as Google goes more into this market with the Google Pixel Fold 2 and obviously other companies, we're going to see some really cool enhanced features. So dual display mode might sound weird at first, but probably is only the one of many features coming with Android 14 and so on. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.